How to get refund in Uber Eats. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get refund or how you can ask for refund in Uber Eats. Now what you want to do is you want to head into your browser and there you want to search in for ubereats.com. You can see I'm on the official Uber Eats page. Now here currently it's not available in my region. However, I'll show you how you can get the refund. What you want to do is you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner. You can see that below the homepage icon there. Simply tap on it, and once you do so, here you'll get various options. What you want to do is you want to select the help option. Simply tap on the help option and let it load up. Once you tap on help, you want to scroll down here. You can see all topics, and what you want to do is you want to select the option help with an order. Simply tap on help with an order, and here it'll give you an option to help various options. You can see ongoing order, past order, or safety. Now since you want to ask for refund, it must be the past order, so you want to select the past order option. And here what you want to do is you want to choose the second option under past order. You can see food damage or quality issue. Once you do so, it'll ask you for picture. What you want to do is you want to add the picture of a picture that you want to get refund for, and then you want to share your details and you want to ask for refund. Here you can type in your problem here and you want to submit it. So here in my case there is no any trips or orders to display, otherwise you'll be able to select the trips or the order directly from here as well. So you can submit it this and they'll get it back to you, and they must be able to help you, and they'll decide whether or not they'll be providing refund or not. So this way you can get refund in Uber Eats. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.